Hello students. Today we will study about the level of organization in an organism. Level of organization in an organism. It means what things made an organism. What things get organized to make an organism. How an organism developed from a simple things. So here I would like to tell you that each and every complex things made from simpler things by what gradual changes or gradual development. Okay. So here cell is what? You have already studied about that. Cell is a structural and functional unit of all living organism. It means it is basic unit of life, and then when the cell organized to do a specialized function, it is called tissue. It means group of cells perform a specialized function is called tissue. Then group of tissue perform a specialized function is organ, and group of organ perform a specialized function is what? Is organ system. And when organ system combine together to perform function, it what? Form organisms. Okay. So here definition of tissue, organ and organ system. The example of tissues are muscular tissue, nervous tissue, skeletal tissue, connective tissue. Okay. And here organs, kidney, stomach, heart, lungs, liver, these all are organs. Organ system, group of organs. Suppose digestive system. Digestive system is made up of what? Different type of organ like mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestine, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas. So the group of organs perform a specialized function, form organ system. In this chapter we have to also know the different name of system, the name of different systems like digestive, respiratory. The function of digestive system is digestion. Respiratory system, respiration. Circulatory system, to transport the material throughout the body. Excretory system, for excretion and removal of the waste material, especially nitrogenous waste material. Skeletal system provides support and make a framework. Muscular system for movement and locomotion. Nervous system for control and coordination of our body. And reproductive system to give birth of young one or to maintain the continuity of species on the earth. Okay. Endocrine system, to it means hormonal system. It also for control and coordination. And integumentary system, it provide protection like skin. Okay. So in next topic in this chapter we have to study about the comparison between plant and animal cells. Comparison. Are they differ to each other or are they similar? You know it? Yes, you should know. They are somehow differ. Okay. Somehow differ. Look here, plant cell and animal cell. In plant cell, cell wall present but not in animal cell. So cell were present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. A large central vacuole present, a large central and permanent vacuole present in only in plant cell but not in animal cell. In animal cell only temporary, small and temporary vacuoles are present. Plastid, it means chloroplast, present only in plant cell but not in, absent in animal cells. There are many structure like centrosome, what you have not studied, so leave it. Okay. There is a chart which show the what difference between a plant and an animal on the basis of shape, cell wall, plastid and vacuoles. Cell fixed. The plant cell shape is what? Fixed due to presence of cell wall. That cell wall is made up of cellulose, you know. And animal cell is not fixed, irregular. Animal cell is not fixed, irregular. Okay. And now cell wall present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. Plastid present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. Vacuole, one large vacuole present in plant cell but vacuoles are either absent or are present only as small vacuoles in animal cell. Okay, is it clear? And now there are many keywords. These are very important. So you should, I think you should learn it. Okay, you should learn it. You should learn it. You should learn the keywords. Okay. So I think 2 days we should finish the class now. Now we are able to do the exercise A, B, C, D. Even you can also solve D. Since you are students of standard 8, so you should try to solve all the question. And if you get any problem, if you have any problem, then you can contact with me, and you can also type as comment. Okay, if you have any doubt, then write it in comment, write it as comment. Okay, I will help you. I am here for you. Okay, thank you. Let's over the class. Thank you very much. Thank you.